If you want to have a forum for just a particular group, it's a little bit different than making an assignment for a group. Instead of having one forum that you can say that it kind of automatically divides into groups, you have to make a forum for each group. So let's do this. We're going to add a resource. We're going to do a forum. And I'm going to call this forum 1 because this is going to be for, maybe we'll say forum for group 1. And I am going to come down to restrict access. I'm going to add a restriction. The group will be a restriction, and I'm going to choose group 1. So you have to be in group 1 to be able to have access to this forum. And so here I have forum group 1, and only group 1 people have access to it. Now I'm going to have to add a second forum, which, by the way, so I could go up here and do add resource forum again, or what I do to make it faster is I will tell it to duplicate, and then I'll just go in and edit it, because usually I will have given instructions about what to talk about in each forum. So to duplicate it is a lot faster. And now I will come down to restrict access, and now I'm going to say that this should be for group 2 and save. And then I just need to do that for as many forums as I need, and then only certain people have access to it. Incidentally, I also do this if I have a folder that I only want a particular group to have access to. If it is feedback on a group assignment, I can create a folder, and I do the same thing where I have restricted the access to it. So it's a little bit more complicated than an assignment is because we're restricting access there. So that's what works best with those types of things. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to tell you about the groups. Let me just show you. If I go back to groups, this class I already have all broken up into groups. If I look at group 1, this tells me who's all in here, and I can easily change who's in there by going to the add or remove users. So I can move people in or out. And I always put myself in one group because I want to be able to see what the students are seeing. So if I go to my student view, then I can see that I can see forum group 2, but it's restricted. I can see I can't get into it, but I could get into the forum group 1. All right, hope that helps. Let me know if you have questions.